Do you want to know a secret and witness a true wonder of nature? Deep in the jungles of Sri Lanka grows a tree unlike any other, glowing with dozens of colors and millions of shades. A living masterpiece that seems almost magical, guarding the secrets of the earth. Let's take a look. This one is ebony, also called royal ebony or blackwood. It's number one in value. Look at the slice, black hardwood, heavy and strong. No wonder it's so precious. There are two main types, one black and one deep brownish red. Both are stunning. But did you know? Many of these trees are also used for commercial purposes. Next is teak, famous for furniture and yachts. Yes, an expensive treasure, second only to ebony. Here's coconut wood. Notice, no visible rings. The soft center is removed and the outer wood is used for crafting. Another star is mahogany, also called redwood, perfect for fine furniture and luxury items. And this giant, Mara, with its huge crown. From it, local artists carve impressive statues of elephants and animals. This is Jack, or the breadfruit tree. Surprisingly, its wood never rots, making it super useful for everyday purposes. But the reason we are here today is for something truly magical. Meet the patane tree, the rainbow tree. From it, natural dyes are created, up to 42 different colors. Let's test it. We take some wood shavings. We take some wood shavings. Add hot water. Look, already a bright color. Stir a little, stronger, richer. Now, add iron with lemon juice. Wow, it turns black. Add lime, and the color shifts again, yellow. With another mix, it changes to purple. And at just the right temperature, 60 deg C, it transforms into blue. Yes, one single tree can create 42 shades of nature's paint. Incredible, isn't it? These natural dyes are used for traditional Sri Lankan masks, powerful cultural symbols. For example, we use paints for traditional masks. Our people hang them at the entrance to the house as a protective charm. People believe that they absorb all negative energy. They help against envy and the evil eye. Because if a person comes into the house with bad thoughts, they immediately see such a mask. That's why many hang them to protect against the evil eye. It really helps. They are always hung. Each mask carries meaning. The peacock mask brings happiness. The cobra mask, protection from evil. The fire mask, friendship and health. And this one, love and prosperity. Natural colors stay bright for centuries, unlike artificial dyes that fade. Even after 500 years, the rainbow of Patane remains alive. So, add more colors to your life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and travel with us on more adventures.